Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add products here in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding products in Salesforce typically involves using the products and price books functionalities. Because for one, products represent the items or services you sell, and they must be added to a price book to be used in opportunities, codes, or orders. Once you are logged into your account here in Salesforce, I want you to hover to the app launcher that's going to be beside the setup. You see, when you have your mouse, it's going to be grayed out. But if you look at it carefully, you would notice that these are going to be colorful circle buttons. Click on it and you would be forwarded here. Now, in the search bar, I want you to type in product or product settings. Click on it. Now, this is the magic button that you need to do to add products here in Salesforce. You see the new option here? I want you to click on it. Now, on the product name, let's say this is going to be Jeep Laughs product. Description is kind of like this. Product code, it's up to you. Maybe like DL for Jeep Laughs. Now, there's going to be an option here that says product family. You can have an option for that. All right. Or just click on none. You see that? Of course, you might want to make this as active since you are adding new products here in Salesforce. All right. Just wait for it. Now, of course, you need to put in the active can be added to the price books and used in opportunities later. So you want to make sure this is checked. Now, all you have to do is click on save. And of course, if you want to add more products, you are welcome to do so. Click on save. And you have already successfully added a new product here in Salesforce. Of course, if you want to edit, click this button right here. If you want to delete this product that you have added by accident, you are welcome to do so, all right? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.